So you want to get cited by AI, then I'm going to show you our all new CrowdReply Feed 2 platform so you can do exactly that. And I'm going to walk you through the entire platform so that there's nothing left for you to start pondering about, and you can start directly with CrowdReply today and get your visibility score up there so that you can take all the share from your competitors. All right, so once you land on the platform and you've done your entire onboarding, it's going to present you a visibility score. This basically means how many times is the AI giving you as the recommendation or as the answer? So let's say you have a visibility score of 33%. So in this case, I'm using the Heavy tracker, which is basically a workout app. So in 33% of all the answers the AI gave, Heavy tracker was mentioned. Obviously, that's not the best score. We want to be somewhere above 50% so that every time the AI answers, it's going to above 50% give you as the very recommendation. And that's obviously what you want. So scores upwards of 55, 60, 70, even 90% are absolutely killer. So we can have a nice little demo here on how you could potentially do this for your business because you might sign up with a similar result at the beginning. So we'll show you this right here. Like I said, 33% is your share of voice. It's basically the percentage you have right now in the answers. And in the list, if it gives it as an answer, it's going to put this as the second position. But you have other ones that rank a bit higher, and it will show you in which sources, so in this case, in which LLMs, it's giving this answer. Under top citations, basically meaning for your brand specifically, right? What sources, what websites, what relevancies does the AI take and uses it for its answer? So you can see here, these are all the sources that AI likes to use so far to determine if heavy is going to be in its answer. Going down here, you will have social mentions. This is just a quick view of something I'm trying to show you later, and it'll show you a few opportunities as well. As of filming this video right now, we do not currently offer Quora or Facebook, but we're working really hard on the back end so we can offer this for you guys as well. I'm sure you guys are gonna love that too. But really where it lives and where you're going to see like real results is under prompts. So let's say you have a prompt that you think your users or your customers is going to ask AI. So in this case of the Heavy Tracker as an example, it'll be, what is the best workout tracking app for weightlifters in 2026? Volume is medium, right? We could add a prompt like a more simple one, like what is the tracking app? Right? So this would be something like super simple, like you sit with your friends and somebody's asking, "Hey man, like what are you asking or what are you currently using?" So right now it says not mentioned. We'll do a new scrape in about 2 hours and we'll show the new results. So the longer you're on the platform, the more data that will be available and the easier it'll be for you to start engaging. So for now, we're just going to take this as an example, but here you can see you can add prompts depending on your plan, and it's going to be super easy for you to start tracking all of them. So here, let's just take this one, and you can see in about 25% of the answers, heavy was actually mentioned. So now clicking into the prompt will let you directly engage on this opportunity too. So you can see the top cited domains is still JFit, Reddit as well, used 3 times, and it used these exact threads to make this answer on this prompt. So if you go down here, you can see we scraped yesterday, and this was the exact response that the AI gave. So we're doing this across multiple models to make it really easy for you. So for example, in Google AI Answers, it gave Stronger, Heavy, and JFit as the top 3 results for this. And as citations, it used this Reddit thread to basically determine if these were valid answers by reading real user discussions. So what we then allow you to do is plant the seed of your business, or in this case, Heavy, in the comment section. So let's say, yeah, I've been using fitness, right? So this is like a nice comment you can do. And of course, I'm writing this myself, but you can also click Magic Write. You can then do a question and click Apply. It will then take information from your brand, so in this case, Heavy, and also from the thread, and write a comment for you. Pre-notes, I'd say do not blindly post it. Still edit this a bit and make sure that it sounds like you or your brand, but it will help you along the way of creating better comments. You can click Order Upvotes, basically meaning you can rank your comment to the very top of the thread. And this helps with the AI thinking, hey, are you a good recommendation or not? Or with users seeing your recommendation in the comment section now as the very top comment with the most upvotes. And that obviously creates a lot of trust. You can choose delivery speed, you can post immediately or at a custom time, and you can also schedule this task so it's also at a different time at your own convenience. And even better, to create more authenticity and more realness, is you can add a comment to the main comment, which basically means it's like, yeah, man, I also share the same experience. Very cool, right? So this basically means now that you can reply to the main comment, right? So that's really cool. Creates a lot of authenticity. It's super awesome. You can do that twice, and it will add to your total. It will charge you for a new comment as well. This only contributes to you being in the AI answers way better, because now you have multiple comments going on in the same source. Right, so that was this. You can see the LLM that we use, and we can see every single prompt and what it answered. For example, here, and we can see here what it answered. For example, strong, Fitbot, JFit. So here you go. You can see all the AI answers exactly, the citations, and this just makes it really easy for you to then go in and engage on these sources. So citations here, you can see the top domains, and as you go in longer, it'll show you a nice chart, how it's fluctuating over time, how AI chooses what to pick and whatnot. And under mentions, we make it really easy for you to start finding threads with relevant keywords. So you put in your keywords, you can put in a bunch of keywords, and then under mentions, it's going to show you a load of threads that were found using these keywords and that are currently ranking on Google. And it'll show you the search traffic for each and every one of them as well. So this way you can just simply go in, just like the previous screen we did earlier, write your comment, and basically make sure that for all of these keywords, you will start ranking. And this automatically converts into the AI seeing that you're ranking for these keywords, and it's going to include you in its answer. So it's all interconnected in our tool. And also a good thing to know is once you're on our tool for 24 hours or more, we'll show you new opportunities. And these are threads that are basically made like very recent, within the past 24 hours. So you'll be one of the first ones to even engage on these threads, which is a major position above your competitors, right? So yeah, this will make things a lot easier for you to start go engage in. Once again, same thing. You can post to our network of Reddit accounts. They're all aged, have high karma, so you don't have to use any of your Reddit accounts yourself. Have to deal with phone farms or proxies and all that annoying stuff. We included that in here for you, so you don't have to worry about that at all. And then last but not least, if you, let's say, found a Reddit thread yourself, you've been browsing Reddit, you've just found something interesting, you're like, hey, I wish to engage on this, but not with my own account, you can go into CrowdReply, post a thread URL in here. You can either do a comment, a reply to a comment, a thread, or a group task, meaning that you put everything we have together, that meaning a post with comments, reply to comments, and upvotes all together. And this will make you the ultimate powerhouse here in AI Answers. And like I said, we really made this with the agency in mind as well. If you go down here, you can upgrade your plan or start on the basic plan, and we'll let you allow it to have multiple here at the same time. So you can track this for multiple clients at the same time, whatever you wish. Or if you're just a solo wheeler, you can obviously have just your own brand in here and go from there. Ultimately, I think this tool is perfect for you if you want to increase your AI visibility score and if you're just interested in appearing in AI Answers. So you can start your 7-day trial here on CrowdReply today, and we'll make sure that you can get your visibility score high up in the numbers where you want them.